Good day. On today's video I will show you how to do a deep clean on the inside of your engine. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. Why is it necessary from time to time to clean the inside of the engine? Well, very simple. These cars are not young anymore. They've got some kilometers, and especially if you bought the car second-hand, you don't know what was the frequency of the service, how often the oil has been changed, etc. So with the time, if the oil is not changed, the oil gets a bit thicker. It's a bit like if you remove something from your nose and you roll it in your fingers, it becomes harder. Well, it's a bit the same thing with the oil here. Okay, so that's why it's important to clean the inside. So I will show you what we're gonna do to clean perfectly. So like that, you will start fresh. You will feel that your engine will go a bit smoother. When we will clean the engine, we will clean it when we do the service of the engine. So basically, when you do the service of the engine, you warm up the car, you open the plug at the bottom, it drains, okay? And once it finished draining, you'll place back the plug and we'll place this inside in the engine and we'll let it run. What this is? Well, this is basically a mix. I take any recipient, I place inside 1 liter of oil and the rest 4 liters of gas oil. I then place it inside the engine and I let the engine run, so it goes to about 60 degrees more or less. You will see on the temperature. Then when you reach about that temperature, you stop and then you open again the plug on the carter, and you will see a black this will come off. So let's do it now. That's it, we've got our engine running now with the gas oil and the oil. As I said, you watch the temperature, it doesn't go too high, 60 degrees about fine, and then we'll stop it and we'll drain it. And then you'll be able to place normal oil inside. When you run your engine with diesel, you don't remove your filter, okay? Leave it on. Your oil filter, because in case there's some dirt, etc., that will go through it and the filter will stop it. Okay, so once you've flushed everything, it's nice and clean, then you can change your filter. This is it, my friends. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. If you would like to see some videos, and I can make it, of course, please ask me and I will do my best to do it. Okay? Until then, take care of yourself. Subscribe if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.